I have already used this, but I put it back in the box for the purpose of this video. Let me go ahead and open it up and show you what you get with this box here. So yeah, one thing is you're going to get a little set of instructions, and I already went over the instructions and I put it together and I already used it. So yeah, I won't need those. Nicely packaged here. You can see there's some sawdust on it. Hand protector kind of locks in right there to keep your fingers protected. It's got a kickback control to it right here. So you're going to get a charger, a wrench, a spare chain. They actually give you a 6-inch spare chain with this thing, 2 batteries. So you have 2 batteries set up, and a Phillips head screwdriver. So if you ever need to charge the batteries, you just put it right in there like that, and that's where the charge port is on the batteries, which is kind of an unusual spot to charge it. So I'll let that one charge. There is no indicator light to tell you how much battery's left, but look at this thing. You want to mash that button. How about that, y'all? Let's go ahead and let's put this thing to the test now. All right, first off, I have a nice little piece of wood right here. I'm right here by my fire pit, and you could see how thick this wood is right here. If I want to cut that, that thing goes through very well. I was really impressed with this thing. You can see how quickly you can cut that. Like I said, it's only got a 6-inch bar on it, so it's not like a big cutting surface on there, but I could easily cut up. I don't know what's the largest I could cut. That looks a little too large to cut. You could see. Let's try to cut this big one. I'll be very impressed if it cuts this thing. And you know, it's good for cutting firewood, but I'll tell you what I'll use it for the most is pruning. Wow, you know, I'm actually impressed that it's cutting this. I am very impressed that it has the power to cut through this. That's actually pretty darn thick right there. Look at the size of that. That's almost the entire blade. Very impressive that it cuts that. Let's go over here and try to cut some prunes here, and I want to kind of like trim some of these bushes down. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get it right here on this bottom piece, and watch this. That was super fast. What I like is how quickly you could trim some of these bushes down. For just basic trimming of these thick bushes that maybe a hedge trimmer can't get, look how fast. This thing's like a hot knife through butter cutting these things. So yeah, you can see how good this thing cuts. So yeah, if you need to take it off, you would use the supplied wrench and take this piece off right here. And if you need to tighten the chain up, use the supplied screwdriver and tighten up that screw down in there. This thing's been perfect. I've used it already on several little projects, and it seems to work just fine. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Zika Palmy 6-inch handheld cordless chainsaw. Let's get to cutting. Let's go make some firewood. See you guys in the next video. Woo!